What's up, YouTube? It's I know coming back to y'all with another banger video, and right now we are on our way to Woodward. We are about to go pick up EJ and then from CJ Bradenworth, but we about to go to Woodward and take Baby Track back out there. First, we need to go get a wash because it's been a minute since y'all seen
They
it.
threw dirt on my name and you gave the shovel. Ain't nobody there for you, but I was down to double. And I'm trying to stay at a sub when I came up.
Since y'all see me get a car wash on one of my cars, I had to clean the camera off. The camera needed a wash, but yeah. So, as y'all know, go subscribe all the time. I'm extra tired because I just got off work, but I need to get down to Woodward and make sure I get some content for y'all. So, let's get it moving. I'll catch y'all back in like 5 seconds. Alright, niggas. We sitting here getting the car wash right now. I just got done eating all that pizza. I know it's gone. It's only one box left. I ain't gonna lie, I really get the rest of Jay. So, I really thought people was coming with me today, but EJ didn't come and they ended up staying. So, we straight. And then Jay and Mari didn't end up coming because they had something to do.
While I'm waiting for your fucking response, are you just not gonna say anything, dumbass?
But look at that. We got us a radar detector, boys. So that means y'all can't sneak up on us no more. Pull us over. Hey y'all, if y'all don't watch my Instagram, bro, go look at my Instagram, bro. We done got motherfucking at least like 17 motherfucking tickets in the last 3 hours. It's like, no. But like in the last 2 months, we done got like 2 tickets, bro. That shit is insane. I don't know how, but yeah. So, y'all can see this shit change the colors and shit. That shit looks so cool. But we about to go to Woodward. I'm about to give y'all another mobile nights and see what happens. Because right now, all the big YouTubers are not here, like Josh, Nick, and all of those people. So we about to just see how lit y'all is without them niggas. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all back in like 2-3 minutes. And that's it. Bye. Alright, y'all. First of all, this is a real surprise. We got that motherfucking AC, air, heat, whatever you call it. We got it working. But yeah, right now, we's on Woodward, you feel me? It's something like a G35. Whatever that, I don't know what G that is. I know it's a G. But yeah, and then there's some freaky shit right now. I don't know what that is. And then there's some motherfucking BMW in front of that bitch. But yeah, oh shit. Shit! Nigga, go away! Damn, the boys out here just trying to tickle somebody's ass. Damn. Anyway, but yeah, let's go see what's on Woodward, bro. Another mobile night, man. They said they out here shutting shit down and DUI testing. I don't know about y'all shutting shit down. Well, no, I definitely know about y'all shutting shit down because they pulled me over. They shut my night down. I'm through. But I don't know about y'all DUI testing. Anyway, we about to hurry up and go over there, so I'm going to catch y'all in like not even 2.5 milliseconds. Nigga, I'm so quick with this shit, bitch. All right, bitch ass nigga. We out here. We got Jay. We got Gay. I'm off the hay. It's like, what up, girl? How you doing? And this bitch turned. We got 2 Mustang drivers here. How do y'all feel? Should I go get a Ford?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
You say what? We gonna smack into this shit.
Hey, my uncle work at Ford. I keep telling everybody that we might have to grab one. Damn, cut. Ooh, shit. Where you going, my nigga? So how you feeling about this motherfucking Missouri trip, bitch?
That shit look, I know that shit look nice.
If y'all don't know, me and Jay is taking this shit all the way to Missouri for the underground tuning meet, and we get turned as fuck. And typical is over here. A typical nigga is over here fucking vlogging this shit. You feel me? My fault.
You done, bro? You done?
My fault.
That nigga done, so I can probably start my fucking video.
Tickling the ass and shit. Anyway, but yeah. So he said we doing a night POV. We gonna do a POV too. So y'all about to see us go pat in the middle of the night. Oh shit. I ain't got my motherfucking tripod right now.
I ain't got my shit here.
I ain't got my tripod all the way in the car. So what we doing tonight, gang? What's going on?
For real? Hold on, let me see if I can get some light. So look, for real, the plan is it's supposed to be me, you, Mari, Jay, this shit is. It's cars every fucking way. But we pretty much gonna try to do a night POV, try to hit Woodward all the way down, try to see if we get some good rollers, just have some good vibes.
All right.
That's really it, man. That's really
It's cold as hell. I'm all right, y'all. So we leaving right now. I don't know if Dart is behind us. I don't know if y'all can see him right here.
Boys outside for no reason. God, bro. What's up, my boy?
What up, bro? You good?
Hell yeah.
That is cold, dog, bro.
Appreciate you, my boy.
Baby Vero got fat.
Yeah, bro. I had to come something crazier. You know? Had to come something a little crazier, some fast shit. A little fat. Do it, nigga. You ain't got shit to do. Them bitches be sounding crazy off the turbos and shit.
Hey man, no yapper can. I don't have to give y'all a better POV. This nigga, damn. This bitch not beeping no more. I don't know why this bitch not beeping. No, that's not a hundo. Is it a hundo? It might be a hundo. Nigga, definitely, that bitch definitely did just beep. I don't know, cause I gotta get my grammar together, bro. I'm gonna let these niggas go first, bro. I'm gonna hit y'all when we get to the tunnels, bro. I really want to see the tunnels, bro. All right, man. We are downtown. Yeah. Come on, baby. Ooh, we in the tunnel. Y'all see J shit? Oh yeah, this is where we supposed to go. Niggas tweak down this motherfucking tunnel. The fuck is that up there? That shit sound kind of crazy. Does this look better, bro? I know it's hella glare, bro. I gotta fix that shit. Next video, we gonna fix the glare. One day. Hope y'all can hear that shit, though. God damn. Motherfucking pat. You feel me? That's all I'm hearing.
We have technology.
You feel me? But we about to go ahead and go to a spot to take some pictures or something. I don't know where the fuck we about to go, but yeah. I'm gonna hit y'all when we get there, my nigga. It's a motherfucking motorcycle right there. That nigga leaving work. We over here by the kids. The radar detector go off. That's gonna be nasty, but we gonna have to. You feel me? Shit gonna be crazy. I hope I'm on the POV camera. I hope I'm on the POV camera tweaking, bro. Oh good. Alright, I'll catch y'all back in 2 seconds.
camera. How long ago? Like a week? 2 weeks ago?
What's going on? Alright, yo, so I know the footage gonna be blurry as fuck because nigga I had the motherfucking lights on, but I think all this shit over with. We finna go back to the crib, nigga. It ain't shit going on right now. This orange ass tangerine ass car.
Clementine, bro.
Nut.
What?
Nuttin' time.
Clementine, bro.
Oh, Clementine.
Clementine, bro.
Alright, bro. What's your car name, bro?
That's Ruby, bro.
Ruby.
Come on now.
You know what my car name is? You know what my car name is? Jeff, nigga.
You got a boy car?
That nigga named Jeff. I let my girl name that bitch.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break.
My girl wants to name that bitch though. I let my girl name that bitch. Let's be serious.
Hey, that nigga car
Nigga, if
is
you
a
don't get your
boy.
Steve Harvey mustache the fuck out the camera. Fuck broken niggas. Hold on. Mustache blacker than this nigga bumper, boy. I'm on your ass.
Hey, this nigga mad at me. 'Cause his
Mustache
car named
blacker
Jack,
than this
bro.
nigga Chrome Delete.
That's the nigga I was looking for. I was looking for a nigga like that downtown, bro.
Who is that?
I ain't had just any nigga in the Hellcat.
Oh, you was trying to get a Hellcat?
Before I went to come back for y'all, nigga, I was the Corvette, Hellcat.
On the way in there?
No, I'm fucking right here. They got on the highway. That's why I got on the highway. Niggas wanted me to get that content. But then the fucking freeway shut down. I'm like, whoa.
I told you that, bro.
You can go, bro. We about to go.
I told that nigga, over there, go ahead and get in front, get some rolling or something. This nigga got in front, popped the flame, and then went to the back. You can't.
This shit pop flame.
Nigga, I got to the back. Y'all niggas started talking some.
I'm in disbelief. This nigga Jay had us running red lights and shit. Nigga, I was feeling different.
Bro, Mr. Cameraman wasn't recording shit. I mean, you got
Man,
Nigga,
who car do you got?
Nigga, everybody, I got 13 minutes worth of content.
Hey, we gonna see what that shit look like, bro.
Y'all gonna see it in the video when I edit this shit.
That nigga shit gonna be cooked.
We gotta wait 3 days and shit. No, hold on, bitch. Wait a minute. Regroup.
Uploading slow as shit, bro. This nigga gonna record a video like 4
Bro,
weeks prior.
I be working. I slave all day.
Nigga, so do I, nigga.
Cause I'm in the same boat, bro.
Master don't got you working as hard as he got me.
Videos, bro.
I don't, bro. I just be in there, bro. I just be in here doing whatever the fuck I want, dog.
Bro, if I'm not... No, I'm gonna edit this shit in the morning.
Same day. Record that bitch same day.
I'm gonna edit this shit in the morning, bro.
Most y'all be editing y'all shit like this. I can't be. I don't feel like doing that.
That's
I
why
need
this
the
nigga got this
motivation
freak ass
to-
camera,
to
bro.
go in. It don't take long to edit. I just gotta find a motivation to actually fucking edit.
I mean, that's the hard part, bro.
Nigga, once I find out, like the video, the shit that we recorded, with that EV thing, that shit, I'm halfway through that, and that shit took me like an hour.
That nigga texted me something how you record videos when you made that video. Telling me how you be making content and shit. You. He was like, how you make it? He said, how you make an intro and shit? Like, how you start?
Oh yeah, I actually. Hey, look, intros is. That's what I said. Look, bro, you got an intro on your shit though.
Nigga, I got an animated intro, nigga. I start recording bullshit. Like, I put the intro.
Bro, you ain't got no intro? Like, you ain't got no song?
No, my shit just fade in and that's it.
Hey, my shit just start, bro.
Y'all niggas is so fucking ass. Oh my god, you ain't got no song or none of that shit.
You gotta play this nigga out, bro.
Huh?
You gotta play this nigga out.
Bro, I don't know what bro got going on. Gang on the phone just walking around. hey, no, look. He was blowed in the car, no cap. Then we got downtown. I see this nigga pop up in this nigga backseat. They was turned as hell. I'm like, shit, fuck you. We outside. Then I'm like, Dart, where the fuck you go? Oh my god, bro. We finna show this nigga how the intros go, bro. Hold on.
Bro, Tony. We in the track car today, huh? Let me hear that motherfucker. Talk to him.
Nigga, tell me how you getting money. You know, shit on a whole nother level. I'm going through shit like it's nothing. Young nigga standing on top of that bitch, for real. You know it ain't nothing. Nigga, you don't even know how it is, for real, boy. You don't know nothing. Jump on stage, man, I'm rolling loud. No, I made mama proud. No fuck nigga wanna see me.